Okay, so hey guys, right now I'm just recording content for this wig right here. I did it for a customer. She didn't like the color, so I was just like, okay, refund, and I'm just putting it on my site to be sold, and I'm trying it on so I can show people how it looks on, because I think people really like that or appreciate it, so they could see like a human face or body in the wig. And yeah, I'm just gonna record the process while I do this whole thing. Usually I like to do like some light makeup so I don't look, you know, basic, I guess. No, not basic, but just so I don't look like when like you add like a little light makeup and just put the wig on, especially like these wigs that be done and stuff, and like when your face just looks kind of regular, it doesn't help like the wig look how it would look if someone had put on the wig and like their like face is all done. So yeah, I just do light makeup. I do like concealer, and I use the Fenty powder and honey. I use this as the powder. The concealer is also the Fenty in the shade, I believe, 420. And yeah, I just do that and brush out my face, put mascara, brush out my brows, put a little mascara on it, and yeah, we're done pretty much. And yeah, last night I could not sleep, so I woke up like 6 a.m. and braid down my hair because I also got this other content thing to do. So I was like, okay, let me just braid it down, and I went back to sleep. I actually had to take a pill to go to sleep because I just could not fall asleep. This wig right here is 26 inches. Full frontal. Like, do you see the color? I think it looks amazing. She didn't like the color because on the site it was like more kind of like orangish, but I don't know, she said it looked pinkish. Previously it was kind of like more on the pink side, so I'm like, all right, I'll just like try to fix it for you. And I sent her pictures and stuff. She was like, no, I want to like how it is on the site. And I'm like, all right. But I also mentioned too on the site that the wig will not come like exactly as the color because every wig is recreated. So I color every wig when I get a like order. But this one right here will be on hand on my site. I'm just doing content. This is a cap size large, so it's kind of big for my head, and I'm trying to make it look like it's not big. I also have a band that I put in it, so I'm gonna just put it at the last hook because I needed to still look like it's laid on my head, if that makes any sense at all, even though it's big. Okay, and the hooks, I got hooks in them, you know, I can see. I think I should put it on this last hook, but we'll see how it looks or whatever. Whoa. Honestly, I love doing like these try-ons because, yo, it then inspires me to possibly try a color that I probably would not have done myself. And this color right here, I love it on me. Like, it's so pretty. Do you see it? It looks really bright on camera, but like it looks like a really bright red, but it's not picking up the color at all. And it is 180 density, so it's made from with like 3 bundles. It's very full, as you can see. It looks very red on camera. It's really not that red, man. Like, but it's alright. Let's see how it looks on the thing. Yeah, this is it. I'm just gonna record myself just showing the wig. And like, y'all see how laid this wig is? Child. Okay, it's a large cap. I'm trying to make it not look so large on my head, but it's alright though. let's see if I could show y'all like the image for real. Like I feel like it's not. Alright, so whatever. I couldn't like adjust the color. It still kind of looks the same on camera. But I'll try to like insert a picture and stuff. But let's start my video. Okay, so I finished recording my videos. Honestly, I just go on like TikTok, be like, okay, what song shows up, and I just add that song on the video half of the time. Or I do a couple of drafts. Let me show y'all. Like Instagram. Hold up, okay, focus thing. I did these 2 drafts, and I'll just probably put words on it, and I'll also like record on my actual camera with like no filter. Sometimes I like going for the filter, like the filters hit, I don't know, whatever. And on TikTok, I just posted one by accident. I'm like kind of fucking mad, but it's okay. This one could have did really good if I had put a caption tag, but it's alright. I'm gonna just download it and repost it possibly. Let me see, hold up. I gotta charge my phone, but hold on, let me show y'all the video. I'm trying to download it right now, cause usually what I'll do is like record on TikTok, download it off of TikTok, and post it on Instagram, to be honest. But this is the one right here. When your wigs look, when your wigs come flat, you know. Yeah, she's cute. She's cute. This one kind of like showing up before. Dang, it's not showing. And then like putting it on, like to show, yeah, ready to wear, you know. Quit editing. This one just showed inside of it. It's kind of like the same gist, but cause I did this one like that because a couple years ago, was it a couple years ago? Yeah, like 2 years ago, I did like a blue one and it went viral, and I'm like, okay, but also too, I think it was the timing that I had posted. I feel like a lot of things did factor into it, but sometimes I can't get like the same repeated like results, but I be trying to. But yeah, if you haven't already, go follow my TikTok, 𝚂𝚂, of course. Got my bonnet on. I'm about to go eat something because all I ate this morning was oatmeal, and I'm hungry right now. Then I'll probably come back and like do that other video and eat. Okay, so right now I'm doing that video for this brand. This was a gifted collab, but I thought, oh, this would be cool because I did think of like doing the same type of product, so it was pretty cool that I got to see the product, you know. But yeah, plugging this in. My hot comb. My hot comb is taken out. I let somebody use it, and all the letters just got literally messed up. Don't get how. But I guess she was probably stressed when she was doing this. But yeah, I'll be installing this wig. Okay, like, but let's get into this install. Like, not even glue. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Like, what? Though I could have put it a bit like more, like right here, but that's fine. My forehead look on 10, kinda. But it's okay. It looks like it's my hair. Really, like you would have been like, oh, that's her hair. She just has a silk press, right? But I love it doing a little bit more content because, like, of course, you got, like, when you meet the girls, you gotta have some content, like, all at once. I just be doing stuff all at once, to be honest, in one go. But